guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be trying out this bad boy from Drybar and I'm quite excited. I have about an hour before I have to leave for work, so I'm hoping this isn't going to take me too long. I've said this before in another video, I am a complete novice when it comes to hairstyling tools or heat styling tools or just styling my hair in general. I'm just not that great at it. And I've owned about 3 or 4 different styling wands and I've just felt like they either didn't hold my curl or they were too hard to use or they took too long. So I picked up this one specifically, and I bought this because my sister recommended it. She had bought the 3-day bender, I think it's called. That's the one she originally got, and she returned it for this one. She just said it was a better product. I also got these. They're the little alligator clips. They were like $16 and the wrap party was $165. I did get 20% off of it from SEPHORA's website during the last VIB sale. So it makes this one unique, and I am going to read about it a little bit more from directly what's on the box, but when you turn it upside down, like the way you would curl your hair around it, it is tapered, so it's a little bit thicker on the bottom, so it makes more of like a natural curl. They also say it's to help your hair from slipping off of the barrel, this little part here. Let's read what else it says. Reverse taper, no slip barrel, creates perfectly shaped waves and holds hair in place while styling. Ergonomic handle adds comfort and control. Ionic technology seals cuticle for smoother, shinier, frizz-free tresses. Says it's quick and easy. It goes up to 450 degrees. And it says used by thousands of professional stylists in Drybar locations each and every day. I also want to note too, because I'm about to plug it in and I was a little bit worried about how I was going to film this here. The cord here is extra long, which is really nice and very handy. Just in case you want to curl your hair at your vanity or something like that and your plug's a little bit further away than what it would be in the bathroom. There are directions. I was nervous at first. So let's see what it recommends for the temperature. Fine damage processed hair up to 400 degrees, normal medium 410 to 420, 430 to 450 for thick or coarse hair. So I'm gonna put mine at 400 and I'll move it up if I feel like that's not enough. As far as prep goes for my hair, I washed my hair last night because I knew I was going to be filming this video, so I didn't want it to be like freshly washed hair. I'm going to put a little bit of dry shampoo just in the top of my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then I will clip it back. I didn't do anything else today but run a brush through it, guys. I have been up since 4 o'clock. For dry shampoo, I am using the Detox dry shampoo from Drybar as well. This isn't going to be a whole Drybar video, but I just happen to really like this dry shampoo. It smells so good. How much like volume that gave me. I love that dry shampoo. So then I'm going to go ahead and use these little alligator clips. It comes with 4 of them. So like I said, I have been up since 4 a.m. My poor husband yesterday, he was going to leave his job and his key broke in his car door. So I went to pick him up. He works about 35-40 minutes away, so that was fun. So this morning, after he got like his new key and everything like that, I dropped him off at work. So we were up super early. I may use this guy too at some point if I feel like it's getting too hot. It's like a thermal heat protecting glove, and I got this with another one that I have. I feel like though I always put it on the wrong hand, like I'll put it on my right hand and I'll keep using that to work the wand, but we'll see. So I'm going to take just this small section here, and I'm not going to talk through this whole video. I'm not going to bore you guys with that, but just see if we can get a sense of it first. It says hold for 2 seconds for like a loose curl, and then a little bit tighter if you want it to be a little bit more defined. So with my limited knowledge of curling hair, one of the things I do know is that you're supposed to like rotate every other, like the direction of the curl. Which I think I just forgot to do. I also want to note too, like this little part on it is raised on all sides. So any way you set it down, it's not going to burn the surface, which is awesome. I have had wands that just had like a little part and you had to make sure you got it on that stand. I hate doing the back of my head. Okay, so I went backwards last time, so let's try forward this time. I have my little ends sticking out there. I'm gonna be giving myself like a double chin this whole video. Oh, I forgot to say too, I didn't put any gel in my hair. I just used like a detangler last night. I just wanted to see what it did on its own. I feel like I keep like not getting the ends tight enough, so I'm working on that now. Moving on to this side. Maybe I'll just clip this part up and around my head. That's gonna be a cute look. Okay. Oh, these little clips too aren't supposed to leave like any grooves in the hair. That was the other reason why I purchased them. I usually just use like one big hair clip that I use to, you know, wear my hair in regularly, so I thought it would be good to have something that's designated for this. Run away with me. I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me. Okay, so this is what we have so far. It's definitely curly. I think any like weirdness is on me, like trying to figure out which direction to go in. I may go back and do like a couple more pieces. Like this one here, I think should go the opposite direction. Run away with me. Come home with me tonight. All right, that did pretty well. Let's do these little pieces over here. This is so awkward. So I know my hair is like 3 different colors right now. It's really in need of just a dye job. I'm getting it done in a couple weeks. And then also I use overtone regularly to kind of keep the color. I use the extreme pink and I ran out, so it is being shipped to me. So there's parts of my hair that are more pink than others. That one's pretty. I like that curl. I think it's just gonna take me some use and some time with it to figure out what direction to put it in. But so far this is going pretty quick. I have half my hair done and it's been about 20 minutes. Way less actually. I've been filming for 15 minutes. I'm just gonna spray this bit now. I have 2 hairsprays that I absolutely love. They're both from Aveda. Air Control is a lighter hairspray, and then Control Force is a little bit stronger. I'm gonna go in with this one just because my hair tends to not hold a curl, so I'm gonna give it a nice layer now. And the thing I love about this hairspray is if you get too much, it just brushes out of your hair. And you don't need a lot of it. We're gonna take these little buttons down. Just one bun for now. And I'm actually liking those clips so far. I know that they are pricey for clips, but I feel like they're not catching on my hair, which is really nice. Okay, I think that one's supposed to go in the other direction. That side is pretty much done. I'm like running out of hands. This is gonna look awkward there for now. Ooh, I got really close to burning myself. Has anyone ever done that, burn themselves with a heat styling tool? It is not fun. I have totally done it. When I was in high school, I used to straighten my hair every single day. Oh, that was a good curl. Look at that. When I was in high school, I straightened my hair every single day. I was so emo. I was such a like wannabe scene kid. Sorry, I just wanted to section that out real quick. But such a wannabe scene kid, and I straightened my hair every single day. Like I would have a fit if I didn't have time to. And instead of getting the clamp on my hair one day, I clamped it around my neck. And it was so bad. I had a burn for 3 weeks. It was so painful and it looked like a fucking hickey, and everybody was like, what is that? And like, I think it was too warm to even like wear a scarf. try to cover up with makeup, but it did not look good. That's the worst I've done. I've done so many other things to my hair. I have cut my bangs before, which was a really big mistake. I mean, I was young. I could probably do a better job now, but I like scarred myself for life. You know, those little headbands that have like the little teethy combs, they're circular and they look like teeth. I had to wear one of those forever. Like my first dance that I went to, where I actually had my first kiss, I was wearing one of those, and there's a picture of it, me and like my first boyfriend, and I have this little tooth headband on with my bangs all pushed back. I also got like brushes stuck in my hair. I remember one time I put like oil all in my hair thinking it was gonna be like a deep treatment, and my hair looked disgusting. This little part is really weird. I did that to myself. Let's see if we can brush that out and redo it. There is dye coming off on this. Either dye or like leftover pink conditioner. You see that? Betcher. I feel like I'm getting better as I go. I say that now and then I'm probably gonna jinx myself, but it's definitely getting easier. I'm really liking this so far. I'm gonna have to play with it more, doing like different variations of like the tight versus loose. It's a really good thing I'm getting this practice though, because my sister is getting married in February in the Florida Keys, and we are so excited. And I am going to be doing her makeup, and then I'm also going to be curling her hair. And I want to do a really good job. Alright, I don't know what happened for that one. I think I did something wrong. I just have 2 more to do, and then what I'll probably do is just take a look in my big mirror. I have a very small mirror in front of me that I'm trying to use. It's what is also making it pretty difficult, but I'm going to check out the back, and then like any places that need to be fixed, I'll go back and do. Spray this with some hairspray again. I know it's not perfect, but like I said, I'm a novice and I'm not mad at it. This side I really like. Okay, that's not bad either. This hairspray is amazing. Like literally, if you, like, it'll stay. I don't understand how they do it, but I love it. I don't let myself ever run out of this hairspray. I think I have like 3 backups. I'm obsessed with it. And the other parts that are a little awkward, like just down here, this guy is one of them. Let's see. We could just rake it out a little bit. Or change the direction. I didn't turn my wand off yet. I think if I actually put on that glove and got a tighter hold, I could maybe get these edges a little bit tighter, or use like the whole part of the wand. The steam coming off of it is from the product. Definitely don't regret this purchase. I am using a little bit of this. This is Verb Ghost Oil. Just a really light oil. I purchased it in my trip vlog. If you saw it, I got it in VA Beach when we were away. And also to note too, I forgot to say this, Drybar is cruelty free. They're one of those brands you would look at and just like wouldn't be sure, just because they're, I don't know, I feel like a lot of the salon brands aren't. But they are cruelty free, and it is hard to find, I feel like tools that are cruelty free, especially like professional grade. Alright guys, thank you for joining me in this first impressions of the Drybar Wrap Party Styling Wand. My first impression so far is that I really like this wand. I thought it was really easy to use. It was very easy to hold, like it felt right in my hand. The only thing for me was that directionally, I just didn't know which way to go, and that's totally on me. It's not on this wand. I need to watch some videos or something. I still like this side a little bit more than this side, but it will probably fall a little bit. My hair tends not to hold a curl super well. It is almost 9 o'clock now. I will be checking in with you guys around 7, so that'll be quite a bit of a wear test. It will probably be super informal. We are going to a Friendsgiving tonight, and I'll probably be just about to stuff my face, so it may even be in the car. So if I don't see you back here, I will see you guys in just a bit. Good evening, guys. It is now 7 o'clock and I did this at about 8:30 this morning, so it's an over 10-hour wear test. I didn't really know what else to call this. I thought wear test would be the most appropriate, but we can check out these curls. I did just come in from outside and it's a little bit windy, so it might be a little bit frizzy looking, but overall I am really happy with the way it held up. Like I said before, I didn't use any kind of gel or mousse in my hair, so I think it may even be better next time. And I only used that one coat of hairspray that you guys saw. I'm going to show you guys the back too. But yeah, I am super happy with the Drybar wand. I'm really happy I purchased it. I think it took a fairly short amount of time. It took me about 25 minutes to do, and like I said before, I think I just need a little bit more experience with it, and I think I would get even better. I could probably get it to a shorter amount of time. I think it held the curl perfectly. It was really easy to use, and it definitely gets an A+ from me. When you guys see this, it will be Black Friday, I believe, so I hope you had a wonderful holiday and you ate lots of food and enjoyed time with your loved ones. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you soon.